Hi there, this is Brother Ben, recording this one on the Wednesday, the 12th of August. So let's have a look around the site. First of all, we're going to go to clicking on the three dots twice. Then we get our full screen, so we get a better image. So let's go take a look around. Let's click once and wait. Once we've gone around a few times around the questions, and I'm still working it out, we'll be more confident and we might want to just go straight ahead. So let's suppose I'm already good to go. I'm happy, just want to get through. So if you click just on class materials and instructions, one click and wait, you're going to get this in class instruction that every 40-minute session you do 8 minutes on each of the 5 topics. And if you clicked on these, you're going to go to the page dealing with that subject, and from there you will be able to go to watch that. All right. So let's go in again. I'm already good to go. So if we go on the class materials and instructions, we're going to get our instruction, and on any of these we would be able to have the same thing. The Buddha's instructions, mostly that where there are many books, I've stored them on 2 places, not on one, in case there's any problem with that one thing. One is on the Google Drive and one is on archive.org. So you can try both actually, it's up to you. And if one works easily with you, then use that one. An example, Google Drive is a system. If you have a Gmail address, an email address that is something@gmail.com, then you already have Google Drive. So you might need to learn how to do that. So perhaps in the next video, I'll make a how to use Google Drive video then. All right, so if we were going to go and look at those, we would choose one of these. Let's choose the Google Drive side, and then you're going to see some new books. Buddha in Your Backpack, Blue Jean Buddha, there's another one about to load up here, Buddha's Apprentices, A Pebble for Your Pocket, there's another one. And if you want to go to the Netflix series, you'll see you'll be able to go here. As often it is, we got laggy, slow connection, so it's not loading up fully yet. We'll wait for it to do that. So then any of these, you're going to click on that and you'll find there's a new book and it will open up in a new browser. From there, you can download that. You can download it and then read it when you are on the, offline. So that's going to be an easy way to do it. So all these are very good books. They're designed for teenagers. So all the things, the 5 precepts, the 8-fold path, all these things are included, and sometimes these books are written by teenagers who already studied those things and they talk about it themselves. I want you to choose one of these books, read 20 pages at least, show me how you've done that you've read 20 pages, and then you can change if you want and move to another one. Same with the workbooks for teens. So you can work through these. Some of them you might like them more than another one. The Mindful Teen, Wide Awake. Okay. Let's take a look at the other options. These 2 as well. How Not to Be a Hot Mess. Often we feel like, my whole life is just a mess. So this is how to survive that kind of feeling and experience. It's a Buddhist book. Zen Teen, 40 Ways to Stay Calm When Life Gets Stressful. Okay. Then these other ones that we already covered for grade 8, grade 9, grade 10, we already covered these subjects. So I'm not bringing them in just yet, later on. And there's also a couple more books which will be available soon where I'm making books in the style of the workbooks for teens, and that will be later on, but not yet. Okay, so let's go back to the class, main class, and look at into the materials and instructions. So that was from Buddha teachings. And so you're going to do 8 minutes every time you are scheduled for values education class. I want you to do 8 minutes from the book that you've chosen there. You read it for 8 minutes, that's fine. Put your timer on, just open the PDF, and when the timer goes dip, you've done your reading of it, fine, and then you're going to go on to your guided meditation. Okay? Guided meditation, 8 minutes. You click on it and you'll be sent to the Insight Timer website. Just by one click is enough, and it goes directly to that guided meditation, the classroom reset. We all did that one, every class, either at the beginning or the end of the class last year. So it's going to take time to load up, obviously, but that will be part of your class. Once it's loaded up, you press play, headphones on, and then we breathe, relax, release the stress, close eyes, and just listen to the guided meditation, which is exactly the same one. You'll recognize it from last year. I'm talking there to grade 8, grade 9, grade 10. For grade 7, this might be a little new to you. It's very easy. You just follow the instructions. I think I need a refresh because we got a slow load up there. But that's the basic instruction for you. Let's come back when that one's loaded up a little bit more. So that's coming from guided meditation. What happens when you click there once it's fully loaded, and then Buddha teachings, for example. And you get similar for these, and these, is you want to spend 8 minutes on the activities that they lead to. Okay, oops, okay, we're very slow today, never mind. Okay, so let's just go back to the happy or need a bit of help and go back to the home page. All right. Okay, so this is Brother Ben signing off. A little bit more about how to use the Bhante's Inferno site for values education, Sakya Academy of Davao.